Hello, this is Elizabeth, and today we have our BC-158 liters solar deep freezer, and we are going to look at its features in a short time. So, this so this is like the door with a thicker space for better heat, for better thermal insulation, and the door is supported by two strong hinges which allows the formation of some angles before it closes. And inside we have LED light, uh, which uses smaller degrees and is low temperature resistant. We have also like load bearing strips attached on each side for you to properly store them in warehouse. And we have external frame. This frame is made of Chuka's unique LG130 ABS material, which is low temperature resistant, and the inside part is covered with galvanized aluminum, which is light, hard to deform, and rust free. We give you a basket inside your solar freezer that you can use to store in some products or use it to grab things from the solar freezer. And here we have like a locker with a solid design and no screws exposed outside. And on this side we have our cooling fan which blows air to the compressor inside the compressor room. Here's for the plug with 16A for big current. Here is the like digital temperature display that helps you to set the proper temperature for the product inside your solar freezer. And then here inside we have a compressor, and it is well attached and firm inside the compressor room with the help of screws that we use to assemble it on every 4 feet of our compressor. And the brand for our compressor is Stickland brand. And we attach fuse that protects the voltage, and this is the cooling fan. And for the compressor room cover, we use this part with stainless steel material, which is fire resistant. And and here we have our outside condenser, which is very strong, has enough tubes, both thicker and thinner, and the diameter is 6 mm for better heat dissipation and cooling effect. And from this view, you can see our hinges, two two hinges to hold on the door, and also allows the formation of 45 angles before closing. So for people interested in this model of 258 liters, can contact us and